The rise of the commercial spaceflight industry showcases new space vehicles that will send ordinary civilians into space. To date, the NASTAR Center has trained over 200 participants for upcoming spaceflights. Similar to airlines, space companies will need to have an approved FAA license to operate and carry crew and passengers into space safely. In 2008, the Federal Aviation Administration declared a new safety approval program outlining specific requirements that must be met for these space companies in seeking launch licenses. After an intensive, nearly 2-year process, the NASTAR Center secured its FAA safety approval to satisfy one of those requirements, specifically the crew qualification and training requirement. On April 7, 2010, George Neild, Associate Administrator for the FAA Office of Commercial Space Transportation, officially declared NASTAR as the first to ever receive an FAA safety approval. This designation is for our space training programs using the STS-400 Space Training Simulator. This is a significant accomplishment. NASTAR Center's safety approval benefits the entire commercial space industry by significantly reducing the time and cost to meet the crew qualification and training requirement, and paving the way for other organizations attempting to obtain their license approval. The FAA safety approval for NASTAR Center approves manned spaceflight profiles that are up to 12 GZ and 8 GX with onset rates of up to plus or minus 8 Gs per second. Currently, all space profiles published to date fit within these limits. To summarize, the NASTAR Center's safety approval means that we can provide convenient, cost-efficient, and responsive space training programs that meet the requirement for space launch operators. I would personally like to thank the FAA, including Sherman Council and George Neild, for their dedication, and the NASTAR Center team, including Glenn King, for making this a reality. We look forward to being an integral part of the commercial spaceflight industry. Thank you.